Guys, DST James out here. It's rainy, it's cold, it's on its way to getting dark probably. I don't care. I wanted to run. I was watching YouTube all day, RC videos. I wanted to run a car, so we got the Outcast 8S and these Spectrum 5000 milliamp 4S batteries. I have another set of batteries too. These don't really last that long because the Outcast 8S here is kind of power hungry, but let's go. Messing with these body clips and your fingers are cold will really test your resolve out here. Alright guys, as always I got my dumb camera hat on. Outcast 8S over here at this spot I go to sometimes. And to be honest, today is one of those days where maybe I should have stayed home. Because I pointed out earlier in the video I had these Spectrum batteries, the 4S. I charged them up right before I come out here. These are by the way, these are Z Lipos 4S 6700 milliamp. I can't remember the discharge rate, but the Spectrums are 100C 5000 milliamp 4S. I charged them both before I came out. I got them in the car, got here, got those in the car, and ran it for 2 minutes, and it cut out. So I'm not really sure, because I run those batteries in my 4S Outcast, and I don't have any problems. And I've ran it in this truck before too, but I don't know what the problem this time. Guys, I remember seeing a couple of videos recently, a couple of different videos where the person filming had this Outcast 8S, sorry. Oh! Had the Outcast 8S fly like toward them. And I was really thinking, on the list of RC cars that you don't want to get hit by, guys, this one is almost at the very, it's one of the top. It's fast. It weighs about 35 pounds. It's got a metal, an aluminum chassis. Feels pretty sturdy. And I saw this coming right toward them in their camera videos, and you will feel some honest panic if this car comes flying towards you. I keep hitting that snowbank. I thought the snowbank was a little smoother than that, but did they mess it? I think they might have. Oh, it's still just nasty snow and rocks and all that up here. So yeah, I'll try not to hit that, even though I have been hitting it. Guys, on a whim, I bought the EXB chassis for this. Just kind of on a whim. I want an EXB. So I got the EXB chassis and the motor mount and the EXB shocks. Now, you might ask me, Dan, why didn't you just buy like the M2C chassis that's probably stronger, or the Scorched RC, or I forget what the other couple of brands that have the 7075? And I would say to that, that's a very good question, and I don't really have a proper answer to it. Oh no! Wait, yes. Did you guys happen to see that save? I hope I got that on film. Although I have kind of heard people say they don't have as much trouble with this stock chassis bending as they do with the Creighton 8S. Because the Creighton's got the little longer wheelbase. So there's somehow probably some physics explanation to that I'm not capable of understanding. But, longer chassis, probably more weight on each end to bend out, but... Oh. But yeah, I got the EXB chassis for this, and I will replace it. Hang on, guys. Not sure why that cut out. All right, back again, guys. It seemed very odd. This, if it's getting wet inside, it's kind of seemed to do some funky things. Like the ESC seemed like it cut out, but I walked toward the car and touched the throttle again. Look, yeah. Don't give the excuse that I need to get that. Yeah, what's going on? It might be getting wet. I don't know, because no low voltage or anything. It's just cutting out. Do I need an excuse, guys, to get that Hobby Wing Max 5 with the 800 kV? Because that's what I kind of want. This is stock motor, stock gearing. And as you can see, it's not it's not slow by any stretch. Not to me. Guys, I wonder if my battery's on this. I don't know. But as soon as these batteries die, we'll call it a day. Like I said, I should have called it a day already, but sometimes you're like, I want to rip, but I don't want to clean this car off because I know it's going to be gross. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes. I hope I got that. I'm not trying to just fully destroy this thing, guys. But I kind of get these cars and then I baby them. I don't know if you guys, same thing. I kind of baby these cars and then thinking, man, I got these to have fun, and sometimes fun is getting extreme with them. Okay, interesting. All right, guys, I think that's low voltage. I don't know. It's acting kind of weird. If you guys saw, that was ESC was cutting out there. Maybe I'll try to turn this off and back on. I think maybe it's getting wet too, like it's acting funky. But yeah, nice and dirty. Thing is a beast, guys. Okay, I guess that was low voltage. It probably gets Guys, what is going on? What is going on? Please, someone in the comments watching this video. It felt like the battery was dead and it just started moving on its own. I did not have the trigger pressed down at all. And now it's running again. Guys, I don't understand what's going on. My only theory is it's like cold and it's really wet, but we're supposed to be waterproof here. Slowing down here. There we go. Now it feels like it's on low cutoff, and this is a very, very odd problem anyway. I do see the ESC blinking now, blinking red, so probably I think that means low voltage. I think maybe cold temperature, batteries are acting funky. It's really wet. I don't know, but I hope the electronics on this aren't ruined, but if they are, oh well, you know. We break our C's here. We don't break hearts. We'll get that Max 5 combo in there, and some EXB mods that I bought, like the EXB shocks. Guys, I have an unboxing video on this with this car. A few months ago. I haven't posted it, but I might just post it. Just why not? But yeah, I got this. It was the big Arrma sale. They had a bunch of cars on sale. 6S was, or 8S, a really good price, so why not? Anyway, I'm just talk, but EXB mods, and maybe that Max 5 sooner rather than later. Eventually all is happening. The Max 5, the 800 kV, install the EXB mods, get that EXB body because I think it looks awesome. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. More Outcast 8S. Thanks for watching.